Si Fred din ba may ganito?
Oo, kayo dalawa. Yeah.
Good job. Taas. Wala, ang sorry po.
Kompleto na siya, may batteries na.
What's that?
Lagi na, mag-picture na tayo. Kami yung first user, no?
So tomorrow, pipicture ko after ng... After na lang.
Ang nagkikita kayo, bukas naman.
Dapat ang first shot,
It's purple!
Yung si Kanan eh.
Purple din sa kanya?
Yeah.
Gusto niya?
Nasa Joyce gift yun eh.
Hello.
I'm so happy. I don't have time to buy camera na ganito. Pero I was really planning to buy one. I was really planning to buy one. Pero wala akong time. Hindi ko siya.
JB?